Hi, happy holidays. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, you'll be able to see what my name is down below. So, today I'm going to show you the remainder of the Florence By Mills Advent Calendar. So that will be from dates 6 to the 12th, because it's now the 10th. And it's only another 2 days and it's not worth making a video just for 2 items, so let's get going. If you're new here, hi, do consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. So, let's get out of the box. I'll try number 6. Again, nicely wrapped in purple tissue paper, which I will reuse for something. What is this? Feed Your Soul, Love You a Latte, Coffee Glow Mask. What does it say at the back? Can also be used as a face scrub. Have you used this? What do you think of it? I don't really go in for face scrubs and things. If you want to know what I do use on my skin, comment below and I'll make a video about it. So that's that one. Let's put that back in there. Oh my goodness, I'm not long back from the shops and I can just about feel my fingers again. It's that cold. I think we're down to 0 degrees now, Celsius. So number 7. Are you enjoying Vlogmas from me so far? Do let me know. I've not had a lot of comments about it. I think I might wrap up doing Vlogmas on the 12th because I didn't realise how much work it would be doing a video every single day. Although I do now know that I'm capable of doing it, I just don't want to do it. What's this? Florence Work It Pout Plumping Lip Gloss. I like a nice lip gloss. So I'll probably use that. Anything that I don't use, I'll do for a giveaway when I hit 300 subscribers. So get subscribing, share my channel. Number 8. It's hard picking these boxes out when you've got nails. This is what I'm picking out. Actually, get one for the thumbnail. And they'll be wondering, what's happened to number 8? Let's see what's in here. What's this? Dreamy Dew Facial Moisturiser. I'll probably keep that because I'm always looking for a good moisturiser. And a nice little tube. Could be used as part of a travel pack for your skincare. Oh, now how do I get this back in? This is like... Oh, how do I get it back in? Oh, that's how I get it back in. Number 9. Rocket number 9, take off to the planet. I think this whole package could have been a lot smaller. I mean, all of this cardboard just for tiny little items. What's this? Be a VIP Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Whoops! Yeah, I'll probably use that. Now let's see what it looks like. There's the colour. Oh, that's deep, and there's a swatch. It doesn't have a smell. I like lipsticks and lip balms and lip products that have a smell or a taste to them. Because, yeah, why not? I just do, okay? I just do. What do you prefer? Number 10. Again, another huge box. There's no need for it. Yeah, I get it. It's more appealing because for some reason people seem to think the things that come in bigger packages are going to be better for them. Well, this is interesting. What's this? Oh Whale tinted lip balm. Yeah, it says Oh Whale. That's not going to focus because I'm not using my proper camera. That's a bit concerning. Oh Whale? Is it? Oh, I see. It's because it's got a little whale thing at the bottom. Thank goodness for that. I thought they were going to have me putting lip blubber on my lip blubber? Whale blubber on my lips. And just like, and it's oh, that's got a slight minty flavour to it. That's number 10. Number 11. If you want to see any reviews on these products, do let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. What's this? Florence By Mills Hit Snooze Lip Mask. I've already got one of those. If you watch my first unboxing of this, for some reason when I was sent this, I was sent another 5 or 6 items out with this advent calendar. I don't even know why I was sent this because I didn't buy it. YouTube Aid and I sent it. So if anyone could enlighten me as to why I have this and how you got my address, do let me know. And lastly, number 12. It's got a little bit of weight to it. A bit like me. What's that? What is that? It's like a knuckle duster. Is it just do you hang it on your tree? What's this? Anyone? I've got absolutely no idea what that's for. 2022 Florence By Mills trademark. Okay. Let's put that back. And again, when I get things, when I buy things, or you know, when someone's asking what can I get you for Christmas, I like to be able to have a purpose or several purposes for whatever I'm being bought or buying. I don't really do much, go in much for decorations and things, you know. So that is all the items in this box. Have I been super impressed by this? Honestly, not really. I mean, have you been impressed by any of these things? I'll leave the first unboxing that I did in a link below, as well as a playlist for Vlogmas. Shall I just try a little bit of just grab my mirror. I'm going to try a little bit of this lip stuff. We're getting up close and personal now. Right side. Yeah, it gives just a nice little touch of colour. I suppose you could deepen it up if you want to. It's got the same kind of texture as these things made by Mitchell Blush. So you can use them on the eyes, cheeks, face. I suppose you could do the same with these, depending on the shade that you get and the shade that you like on your eyes, face and lips. What do you think? Yeah, it makes my lips look a bit less grey, dead. Not bad, not bad. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much if you have. Leave this video a like if you have, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Comment below what your favourite product was, if any, and subscribe if you're new, and do share this video if you feel it will be of use to someone. Thanks for joining me. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, stay warm, because it's cold out there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.